Why has the U.S. military lost roughly 25% of its Reaper drones in the conflict involving Iran? The scale of these losses is shocking and could reshape military strategy immediately. Since the outbreak of hostilities on February 28, 2026, between the United States, Israel, and Iran with its regional allies, the U.S. military has lost at least 45 MQ-9 Reaper drones. This represents roughly one-quarter of the entire Reaper drone fleet, according to multiple U.S. officials cited by the Washington Post. These losses reflect the intensity and high stakes of the ongoing war, significantly depleting U.S. unmanned aerial surveillance and strike capabilities. The conflict erupted after coordinated U.S. and Israeli airstrikes targeted and killed several Iranian officials, provoking a swift escalation. Since then, drone operations have increased dramatically to support air campaigns against Iran and its allies. This surge in drone missions has exposed Reaper drones to greater risks, contributing to the high number of shootdowns and losses documented by military sources. The loss of a quarter of the Reaper drone fleet severely limits the U.S. military's ability to conduct persistent surveillance and precision strikes. These drones are critical for real-time intelligence and targeting in hostile environments. With fewer operational drones, the U.S. faces challenges maintaining battlefield awareness and supporting ground forces in the ongoing conflict. The drone losses also underscore the fierce resistance from Iran and its regional allies, who have sophisticated air defenses and countermeasures. The conflict extends beyond direct U.S.-Iran engagements to proxy battles, complicating drone operations and increasing risks of shootdowns. This environment makes drone warfare increasingly costly and complex for the U.S. Given the heavy losses, the U.S. military will likely reassess drone deployment strategies to minimize risks. This could include developing more resilient drones, improving electronic warfare defenses, or shifting tactics in the Iran conflict. The goal is to preserve valuable drone assets while maintaining operational effectiveness in a high-threat environment. What this means for you is that the drone losses in the Iran conflict could slow U.S. military intelligence gathering and strike capabilities, potentially affecting global security dynamics. Staying informed helps you understand how technology shapes modern warfare and its broader impacts. Subscribe for updates on this critical story and what it means for the future of military operations.